Welcome to our tutorial about the Select command. To select a simple entity, as you suspect, we can left-click on it. The circle is selected as indicated by the color change in my workspace. We're able to select more than one entity by holding down the Control or Shift keys and left-clicking. You are probably familiar with this from other software packages. To unselect everything, just click in the graphic area. A window selection from left to right only selects entities fully within the window. A window selection from right to left selects even the entities partially within the window. The window selection direction is also indicated by color, as you may have noticed. From left to right, the window is red with a solid line. And from right to left, the window is green with a red dashed line. Let's go ahead and select everything on our screen. Now let's say I want to deselect the circles. I hold down the Control key to deselect the circles one at a time with a left click. As an alternative, I can make a window selection from left to right and then deselect the rest of the circles. Knowing how to use the window select can save you a lot of time once you get used to it. And this concludes our tutorial about the Select command.